is the KFC coleslaw. And everybody always, when I make this, because it is the KFC, everybody says, oh, this tastes just like KFC coleslaw. We're going to make coleslaw. And I just got a small cabbage. And I'm just going to slice it up. I like to do like my sister does. My sister, she takes all the outer leaves. And then she slices it in fours. Okay. Then and we got the core out. Works every single time. I don't know how it works. She just showed me, and that's the way I do it. Okay, so we're going to use our little shredder. I do have a food processor, but I find that I like doing this. And if you have any big pieces, just kind of pull them out. Sometimes you'll have a couple of the soft pieces fall off. And you can use a food processor if you would like. This is just the way I do it. That are too soft, that don't shred, I put them in a baggie, and then I use them as a side dish with pork chops or whatever. I just make boiled cabbage. I don't waste any of my cabbage. See how these are so soft? Like I say, just take out the big pieces, and we're going to use them for something later. So we're really using about half of our cabbage. Okay, now I'm going to just take these and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and we're going to have this as a side dish because we don't want to waste it. See, this is enough for me and my husband to have with a side dish. Put some cabbage and neck bone, or cabbage and pork chop. It's so good. Okay. Now we need 2 medium-sized carrots, and I have already washed them and scraped them. Okay, we got all that carrot out. Okay. Okay, now we're just going to kind of stir it around. So about a half of a cabbage and 2 medium-sized carrots. Okay, looking good. Okay, we're just going to grate about 2 tablespoons of onion. We'll make sure we get all that onion. You definitely can use a food processor. I think I'm just getting so old that I'm so set in my ways. You know, as we get older, we're set in our ways. We've done it that way. And, you know, sometimes we can be stubborn. But you definitely use your food processor if you would like. No problem at all. All right, now let's dress this coleslaw. I love making this coleslaw. We need 1/3 cup of sugar. We're just going to put it right in. A 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and I'm using Duke's, but you can use whatever you have. It doesn't have to be Duke's, but I have to say Duke's is the best. 1/4 of a cup of buttermilk. I forgot my milk. Okay, we need 1/4 of a cup of whole milk. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, 2 1/2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 1 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar. White distilled vinegar. And then we just mix. And then I'm going to let it sit overnight. I'm having a barbecue tomorrow. Today is Friday. So tomorrow I will be, we will be barbecuing. Let me taste my coleslaw. See what it tastes like. That is KFC coleslaw, hands down. It is so good. And this will be so much better tomorrow. And I like the KFC coleslaw because it's my favorite slaw. So that's what I make all the time. Now my mom has a coleslaw that she makes, and hers is completely opposite of mine. It's very good, but it is so opposite of this. But we all love this also. So we're going to put this in a nice casserole dish so it'll look nice for tomorrow. So we're just going to put it right in our casserole dish. And we have our KFC coleslaw ready to go. I want to say thank you. And I know I say it every video, but I want you to know that without you, I could not have a channel. Your kindness, your watching, your comments, your cards, the kindness that you guys show me is just absolutely unbelievable. And I don't ever want you to think I'm taking you for granted in any way. You're the best. And I want to make sure that I really give you good recipes. And I just want to say thank you for all your kindness and encouragement. You make this channel, not me, you. So you make me want to do really perfect for you. You make me think about what I'm really doing and what I'm really making and if you would really like it. So I just want to say thank you. Hit the subscribe, like button, comment below, and go make the KFC coleslaw and go and have a wonderful, wonderful